What's going on, guys? Joe here with Apps That Rule, and in today's video we're specifically going to talk about the Waze app. It's a GPS app that's available on iOS and Android, and actually more specifically we're going to find out if it is accurate or not. If you're not familiar with what the Waze app actually is, it's Google owned since 2013. It's a GPS app packed with tons of features, mostly updated in real time by people who use the app. So let's just say there's heavy traffic on your route, an icon will pop up giving you that notice, or if there's a cop up ahead while you're driving down the interstate, then you'll get a notification saying, hey, there's police ahead, slow down. So this trip consists of myself and my fiance. We're taking my daughter to meet my dad, who lives in Cincinnati, Ohio, from Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. The halfway point is about Wheeling, West Virginia. It's 3.5 hour trip one way, let's put it that way. And so along the journey, we decided to document and find out how accurate this Waze app really is. And come to find out, it is very accurate. Along this trip, we only ran into maybe a handful of notifications, such as some weather stuff, a lot of vehicles on the shoulder, so just as a hazard. And then we did run into a couple cop things. But as we were driving along and we got those notifications, some of the times, which you will run into if you use this app, is that it'll say like there's a cop up ahead or a vehicle on the shoulder or something like that. And it's actually not there. And as you can see on the screen, we've had that happen a couple times, and you just simply put it's not there, or you say thanks, so that other users behind you will keep running into that. And then if you happen to click the not there button, it's just gonna eventually make that disappear, knowing that it's not there. So some of the pros and cons I'd love to go over with this app. And after taking this trip, I've been using this app, by the way, for probably about a good, I don't know, 8+ years. And I love this app. I use it all the time. I've never really had a lot of issues because it is user-based and everything. It's not always 100% accurate, but that's because sometimes if you get a notification about a hazard, construction, police, or whatever, it goes away. So the users that are constantly using this app are driving by, and it's updating in real time by users with their eyes. Now, of course, you sometimes get people, I think, messing around with the app, and they might put something's there. But at the same time, there's people behind them where that notification will pop up, and they'll just say it's simply not there. It'll disappear. So that kind of alleviates the people that are kind of messing around, you know, when you get bored driving on those long trips. That's maybe the only con I've ever had with it. Other than that, it's mostly all pros. I think it's very accurate, to be honest, when things do pop up. I love the fact that it reroutes if traffic is really heavy, there's an accident up ahead or something like that. It's really good at giving you some different routes to go around, save you a little bit of time. You don't have to pull the old map out like back in the day, or try to reroute yourself through the app itself. So it's a really good app. So that pretty much sums up the Waze app. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed yet, because I plan on comparing the Waze app and some other GPS apps together in real time and figuring out the pros and cons and everything, just to kind of help you guys out. And also be sure to check out this playlist right here on some free streaming apps that you can use on your next road trip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.